Are you looking for a way to earn extra cash by proofreading? Well, you're in luck. Let's talk about one of the most popular platforms today, proofreading services. This website isn't just any ordinary platform, it's a trusted source used by renowned schools and companies globally. Imagine that your skills could be providing value to some of the world's top institutions and businesses. But don't worry, it's not exclusive to any particular location. It's available worldwide, which means no matter where you are, you can tap into this opportunity. With a wide variety of documents to proofread, from dissertations to theses, you'll never run out of interesting material to work on. It's not just about making extra income, it's about being part of a global community, contributing your skills where they're needed the most. So, remember, Proofreading Services is not just an extra income source, it's a global platform trusted by many. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly will I be proofreading? Well, as a proofreader on Proofreading Services, you'll be working on a diverse range of documents. You could be delving into academic dissertations, polishing up persuasive essays, refining meticulous manuscripts, or tightening up tightly argued theses. The beauty of this is that you'll never be bored. Every task is a new challenge, a new topic, a new author's voice to respect and refine, and the importance of your role can't be overstated. You're the final checkpoint, the last line of defense against errors that could cloud the author's message or even affect the credibility of their work. But with great power comes great responsibility. Each job will come with a turnaround time, a deadline that you must meet. This is where your time management skills come into play. You'll need to balance speed and accuracy, ensuring that the work is completed on time without compromising the quality of your proofreading. Remember, each job requires timely completion. Your time management skills will be as crucial as your proofreading skills. Ready for the best part? Let's talk about the pay rate. At Proofreading Services, the fruits of your labor are rewarded handsomely. Each job you take on is priced by the hour, with rates ranging from $19 to $46. Now you might be wondering, what determines the pay scale? Well, it's all about urgency and turnaround time. Here's how it works. The more urgent the job, the higher the pay. It's that simple. If you're quick on your feet and love a good challenge, those high-urgency jobs can really boost your earnings. But that's not all. Proofreading Services is renowned for its competitive rates. This means you're not just earning, you're earning well. And with a steady stream of jobs available at any given time, you've got endless opportunities to cash in. With competitive rates and a steady stream of jobs, Proofreading Services can be a lucrative side gig or even a full-time job. Wondering how you'll receive your hard-earned cash? We've got you covered. With Proofreading Services, you have two simple and secure payment options. The first option is PayPal, a globally recognized payment system that allows you to receive money in a snap. All you need is an active PayPal account, and you're good to go. The second option is a direct bank transfer, a reliable method that sends your earnings straight to your bank account. It's all about convenience and flexibility, letting you choose the method that suits you best. Now let's talk about the next step. Ready to dive into the world of proofreading and start earning? It's time to join the Proofreading Services community. But before you go, we have one small request. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Start your proofreading journey with Proofreading Services today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and opportunities.